Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vinay. I am UAE Property Advisor. Today I am going to show you a property wherein you can convert one bedroom apartment into two bedroom. So as you enter, you get this beautiful passage, and then it takes you to the living and dining area. Since this apartment is convertible, that's why the developer has given you a dining area over here, and just check out the size of this dining area. And the most important thing, you can close down this dining area and you can convert this as a bedroom. Not only this room comes with the attached balcony, which has a beautiful view. So for this convertible bedroom, the developer has given you a complete washroom rather than giving a powder room. Right opposite to it, you have got a storage area. You have got your semi-open, semi-closed kitchen, which comes with this complete inbuilt appliances like refrigerator, your laundry, and finally this is your master bedroom, which comes with this attached washroom. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. To know more about any property in Dubai or entire UAE, contact us. We are available 24/7.